From probably my early teenage years, I wanted to either be into juvenile probation or become a police officer. I wanted to do something where I felt like I was giving back to something. And I also had a special bond where I felt like I needed to help other people or other children that maybe were in a situation like me or far worse. Because although for me, my situation was terrible, it really was not terrible after what I saw other people were going through. Mine was just a hiccup. It wasn't, a devastating event.
That is like, I commend you for that. I love hearing that shit. You saw something. So man, I tell you what, hats off to you. Just think about it and if you may, and I'm going to outline it. So you didn't have the nucleus family, the Brady Bunch with, neither did I. I mean, that's few and far between. I get it. It's challenging. That's why you unfolded with this powerful in mind you have, right? But I'm trying to find out how that developed, like where the start is. So you had that influence, you had the struggles with it. What do you feel was that defining moment or that inspiration to want to go towards to help people? We know it was you didn't get, you want to give what you didn't get. But where do you remember that time that said, I want to go towards this?
I don't really remember the defining moment at that point. However, I did go to college right out of high school. And instead of taking the courses that I wanted to take, I went into business. Why I went into business, I was going to move away from home. My best friend and I were going to be roommates. We're going to have fun in college. It had nothing to do with school. I did a year of that and I absolutely hated it. Transferred schools, went into criminal justice and criminal law. And at the time I was dating, my now ex-husband, but my boyfriend at the time. We ended up getting married 2 years later, and he was in the military. So my education got put on hold. So at 2 years of college, I stopped, got married, and moved to upstate New York. And then from there, I started a family, and everything that I wanted to do was put on hold, but I knew eventually it would happen. It just needed to take a little bit of time. So after I had my son, about a year and a half later, I went to a community college up in Fort Drum, New York, and started my criminal justice degree all over again.